Hello my dear friends, welcome to IMS GATE Academy. A very important announcement have been released by DRDO for the recruitment through GATE for a total of 148 vacancies in DRDO and other establishments like ADA and NCADED posts. It is for Scientist B posts, right? So my dear friends, all the eligible branches can check their eligibility criteria. Now for example, in EC, the total number of vacancies is 35, 35 3 38 40 vacancies in total for EC is there. And you have to see that whether the eligibility criteria you are matching or not, and what is the qualifications. So for you need to be GATE qualified first of all, and you have to have the bachelor's degree, that is the BTech, right? So electronics, he has released a total of 40 vacancies. Mechanical engineering, a total of 34 vacancies overall. For general it is 14 in DRDO. Then for 3 9 and similar to 5 2 for other categories. GATE qualified is needed, so pretty good vacancies. Now for computer science there is a total of 30 plus vacancies overall when you see, and again GATE qualification is needed. So for computer science, mechanical, EC, considerable number of vacancies are there, so students have a good chance. Electrical, okay, slightly on the lower side, a total of 7 vacancies, and then other specializations like material science, mathematics, chemistry, physics, they have released. One important thing to note is that the age criteria for DRDO, now generally it was seen that for PSUs and for ISRO also the age criteria is less than 30 years generally, but here the age criteria has been extended to 35 years for the unreserved category, and accordingly for other categories like OBC and SC/ST it is 38 and 40 years respectively. So students above 30 years can also apply over here. So this is the thing. So generally June first week the official site will be activated through which you can apply, and he is saying that 20 days till 20 days it will be there, right? So my dear friends, it is a very golden opportunity for all the candidates who have scored good marks in GATE and are waiting to utilize their scores, right? So all the very best my dear friends.